Imagine a single food that boosts your immune system, enhances vision, supports heart health, and helps regulate blood sugar, all while being delicious and versatile. That food exists, and it's the humble sweet potato. More than just a healthier alternative to regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene for eye health, fiber for digestion, and potassium for heart support. Their natural sweetness and rich nutrients make them perfect for roasting, mashing, baking, or blending into soups and smoothies. With their impressive benefits and culinary versatility, sweet potatoes are a superfood worth adding to your plate. Stay with us till the end as we unveil the exceptional health benefits of sweet potatoes. You won't want to miss a single detail, especially the surprising ways they can transform your health. Nutritional profile of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are more than just a delicious comfort food. They are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. Macronutrients. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber, which supports digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, while not a primary protein source, sweet potatoes contain essential amino acids that contribute to overall muscle maintenance and repair. Micronutrients. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A for eye health, vitamin C for immunity, B6 for brain function, and E for antioxidant protection. They also provide potassium for heart health, magnesium for nerves, calcium for strong bones, and iron for energy production. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Rich in beta-carotene, anthocyanins, and polyphenols which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene for immune and eye health, anthocyanins for brain and heart support, and polyphenols to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting overall well-being. Health benefits of sweet potatoes. 1. Supports vision and eye health. Sweet potatoes, especially the orange variety, are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a key role in maintaining healthy vision, preventing night blindness, and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, vitamin A supports overall eye function, helps protect the cornea, and contributes to a strong immune system, making sweet potatoes a valuable addition to a nutrient-rich diet. 2. Boosts immune system. Rich in vitamin C and powerful antioxidants, sweet potatoes help strengthen the immune system by boosting white blood cell production and enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. Vitamin C also plays a key role in collagen synthesis, which promotes faster wound healing and supports healthy skin. Additionally, the antioxidants in sweet potatoes help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, further strengthening the body's defense mechanisms against illnesses. 3. Enhances digestive health. Sweet potatoes provide a rich source of dietary fiber which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports overall gut health. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, helping to regulate bowel movements and improve nutrient absorption. Additionally, their prebiotic properties feed beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a balanced microbiome that enhances digestion and strengthens the immune system. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Despite their naturally sweet taste, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels rather than sharp spikes. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain steady energy levels. Their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber, helps slow down glucose absorption in the bloodstream, preventing sudden fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity, supporting better blood sugar regulation over time. Including them in a balanced diet can help manage diabetes, reduce insulin resistance, and promote overall metabolic health. 5. Promotes heart health. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting healthy blood vessel function. This mineral supports proper fluid balance and reduces strain on the cardiovascular system, lowering the risk of hypertension. Additionally, the antioxidants in sweet potatoes, including beta-carotene and polyphenols, help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to heart disease. By reducing arterial stiffness and improving circulation, sweet potatoes contribute to better heart health and overall cardiovascular function. 6. Supports weight management. Want to feel full without consuming excess calories? Sweet potatoes are the perfect solution. Their high fiber content slows digestion, keeping you satisfied for longer and reducing unhealthy cravings. Additionally, their complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes that can lead to hunger, With their low calorie density and nutrient-rich profile, sweet potatoes support healthy weight loss while nourishing your body. 7. Improved brain function. Sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Their vitamin B6 content plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter production, supporting cognitive function, enhancing memory, and promoting overall mental clarity. Additionally, regular consumption of vitamin B6-rich foods like sweet potatoes may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia, making them a brain-friendly addition to any diet. 8. Enhances skin and hair health. The vitamin A in sweet potatoes helps maintain clear, glowing skin by supporting cell turnover and reducing acne breakouts. Vitamin C plays a key role in collagen production, keeping the skin firm, youthful, and elastic, while reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, the antioxidants, including beta-carotene, help protect the skin from UV damage, combat oxidative stress, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. 9. Supports bone health. Sweet potatoes contain a powerful blend of calcium, magnesium, and manganese, which work together to support bone density and strength. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, while magnesium aids in calcium absorption and helps prevent bone loss. Manganese plays a crucial role in collagen formation and bone metabolism, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and joint-related issues. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes can contribute to better bone health and long-term skeletal strength. 10. Anti-cancer properties. Research indicates that the anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes may help inhibit cancer cell growth by interfering with tumor development and slowing the spread of malignant cells. These powerful antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and minimizing DNA damage, all of which are linked to cancer progression. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of sweet potatoes further contribute to lowering the risk of various cancers, making them a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Different varieties and their unique benefits. Orange sweet potatoes, highest in beta-carotene, great for vision and immune support. Purple sweet potatoes, rich in anthocyanins, excellent for heart and brain health. White sweet potatoes, lower in antioxidants but still beneficial for digestion and blood sugar control. How to incorporate sweet potatoes into your diet. There are countless ways to enjoy sweet potatoes while reaping their health benefits. Baked or roasted, a delicious and healthy snack. Mashed sweet potatoes, a great alternative to regular mashed potatoes. Sweet potato fries, a crispy and nutritious treat when baked. Smoothies and soups, blend them for a nutrient-packed boost. Sweet potato salads and stir-fries, a colorful addition to your meals. Potential side effects and considerations. While sweet potatoes offer numerous benefits, they should be consumed in moderation. Excessive vitamin A intake. Overconsumption can lead to hypervitaminosis A, interaction with medications. High potassium levels may interfere with certain drugs. Kidney health concerns. Individuals with kidney disorders should monitor potassium intake. Allergic reactions. Though rare, some people may have sensitivities to sweet potatoes. Conclusion. Sweet potatoes are an incredible superfood packed with essential nutrients, powerful antioxidants, and remarkable health benefits. From boosting immunity and supporting heart health to enhancing digestion and improving brain function, this root vegetable is a must-have in any healthy diet. Call to action. Now that you've discovered the exceptional benefits of sweet potatoes, why not make them a staple in your meals? Try out a new recipe. Swap them for regular potatoes or blend them into a smoothie for a nutritious twist. Share your favorite sweet potato dish in the comments and let's inspire each other to eat healthier. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health boosting insights.